beautiful Reno. They got a car show going on. It's just on the side of the road, kind of a car show. Oh wow, this guy's got it all hooked up. Hydraulics. Wow, awesome. Oh, this is a Chop Top 79 Monte Carlo. Oh, that's crazy. I guess they run one pump for the front, one pump for the rear.
Do something with it.
Sure.
Did it all night.
First stripe of cash, yeah.
Oh, look at this one. That's scary. Like, you know, V6 inside here. Wow. It's a 1950.
All right, everybody. All right, can everybody hear me in the back over here? Everybody over here in the back, can you guys hear over there?
Got a V6 in there.
We're going to do our first raffle for some motor oil, 1030 from O'Reilly's.
Oh, look at this one, bro. Naheka. I don't know what, if that's a Hawaiian word or what, but this car is tripping, bro. This is the 429 Cobra. Super rare car, man. Check out the pinstripes. They look black from far away.
Maroon. It's maroon.
What color?
Maroon.
Yeah, right now we in Reno. Just happened to pop along into this, I guess, I don't know, man. It's a crazy car show. I guess they have these out here. Yeah, man, this is some nuts stuff. Check out this bike, bro. This bike is some kind of a Volkswagen. You see how they chopped the frame? They welded on a front frame of some kind of bike. I don't know what kind of bike is that. But this is a classic example of what you can do in California, man. Or Nevada. Look at the license, Nevada. Wow.